Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm trying out a colour scheme for my future Ratman army this week with the captain from One Page Rules. I have black and white Zenithal Prime the Mini and I get started with Berserker Red for all of the armour plates. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description where you can share anything you have been working on. To add the first highlight to the armour, I started stippling on some boar hide on the raised areas. The next highlight turned out to be pretty much the same colour. This is Hull Red. I just really used this to add some more saturation at this point. With the Hull Red being pretty much the same colour, I grabbed a fur cloak and added an actual highlight to the uppermost parts of the armour. Moving on to the cloak, I went for dark green. Now this is most likely going to be the second colour for the army. It felt a bit weird not having green on the mini, but these guys seem a bit more civilized and like an organised fighting force compared to skaven. The first highlight for the green is with deep green, just a scratchy highlight over those raised flat areas. Finishing the cloak, I scratched on some light green just to make the edges in the raised areas stand out that bit more. Next up, I base coat the fur with leather brown. the exposed skin parts, I used Dwarven skin tone. Since I've already used leather brown, all the leather parts on the mini get done with light brown. The highlight for the exposed skin is done with elven skin. To add in a fur look on the head, I used volcanic yellow. This is far more yellow than I thought it was going to be, but luckily it turns out okay in the end. Highlighting up the leather parts, I went for golden brown. Moved on to the metal parts, I basically all of them with plate armor, even the parts that are going to be gold in the end, just to give them a uniform layer to start with. gold parts gets a once over with dragon's gold. I almost forgot the teeth and claws, so I grabbed Vampire Fang quickly and added them in. The first wash on the mini is Orc Flesh Wash for that green cloak. The next wash is Archaic Sepia Wash for everything except for the metal parts. Finishing up the metallic parts, I washed them with Oblivion Black Wash. And that will be it for the Rat Captain. I just added a little bit of texture to the base and a grass tuft. I like to keep all my bases fairly simple, as the whole army likes to look coherent instead of just one main guy standing on a massive statue of cork. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord, just need a link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.